Hi, this is Luke with the NPDES Training Institute, and I'm here to give you some good news about a project that is adjacent to Lake Lanier that after receiving, I couldn't even really tell you, at least 3, maybe 4 inches of rain here the last couple of days. We have a state water that is downstream from this project that is killing it. As a matter of fact, I just see no discharges. And that's because a company called AL Grading which has a phenomenal reputation in my world. I see them installing BMPs like there's no tomorrow. And every time I see them on a project, I'm really relieved to see that they do such a phenomenal job at installing and maintaining these best management practices that are making a huge difference. So thanks so much for watching. Of course, this is the ramp to Lake Lanier. So you see that guy just dropped the boat off. And so I'm excited. I think, taking a look at this site, the sediment basins that they had well installed prior to this rain event, it's really good news for Lake Lanier and the local economy. Thanks so much. Bye.